Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Mr. Beast. We all know I love a good challenge, a crazy stunt, anything that gets the adrenaline pumping. But lately, I've been feeling a different kind of call to adventure. A call to explore something ancient, something epic, something monumental. And what's more monumental than the Egyptian pyramids? These structures have stood for millennia, silent witnesses to the rise and fall of empires. Imagine the stories they could tell, the secrets they hold. I'm talking about stepping back in time, experiencing history firsthand, and maybe even uncovering a hidden treasure or two. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an epic journey to the land of pharaohs and pyramids. Let's get real for a second. When you think of Egypt, you think of pyramids, right? They're iconic. These massive stone structures are more than just tombs. They represent the power, ingenuity, and architectural genius of the ancient Egyptians. Built as tombs for pharaohs, the pyramids were designed to ensure their safe passage to the afterlife. We're talking intricate passages, hidden chambers, and enough treasure to make your head spin. The most famous of them all, the Great Pyramid of Giza, is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. And trust me, it lives up to the hype. Here's the thing about the pyramids. They're shrouded in mystery. How did the ancient Egyptians build these massive structures without modern technology? How did they transport those gigantic stones? And what secrets lie hidden within their depths? Some believe the pyramids are aligned with the stars. Others think they hold clues to forgotten technologies. And then there are the whispers of curses and ancient magic. Whether it's true or just legend, it adds to the allure. Now you might be wondering, what's a guy like me doing messing around with ancient history? Well, here's the thing. I love connecting with people, and what better way to do that than by exploring something that has fascinated humanity for centuries? Imagine this. We could stage a massive treasure hunt inside the Great Pyramid, with clues hidden in hieroglyphics and challenges inspired by ancient Egyptian rituals. Or we could recreate the construction of a pyramid, using only tools and techniques available to the ancient Egyptians. Talk about a history lesson you'd never forget. Section 5. A philanthropic touch, giving back to history. We all know I love giving back to the community. And what better way to do that than by supporting the preservation of these incredible historical sites? We could donate to organizations dedicated to researching and protecting the pyramids, or even fund the restoration of ancient artifacts. Imagine if we could help uncover a lost tomb or decipher a new set of hieroglyphics. It would be like writing a new chapter in history, and we'd be a part of it. Section 6. Challenges and opportunities. Navigating the sands of time. Of course, an adventure like this wouldn't be without its challenges. We're talking scorching desert heat, navigating ancient tunnels, and maybe even dodging the occasional mummy. But hey, a little danger never hurt anyone, right? But think about the opportunities. We could collaborate with leading archaeologists and historians, use cutting-edge technology to scan the pyramids for hidden chambers, and share our discoveries with the world. Section 7. Global Impact. Inspiring a new generation of explorers. I truly believe that by combining my style of content with the exploration of ancient wonders like the pyramids, we can inspire a whole new generation of explorers, historians, and adventurers. Imagine kids ditching their video games to learn about ancient Egypt, or students getting excited about history for the first time. That's the kind of impact I want to make. Section 8. Beyond the pyramids, Mr. Beast's adventures continue. And who knows, maybe this is just the beginning. The world is full of ancient mysteries just waiting to be uncovered. From the lost city of Petra to the temples of Angkor Wat, the possibilities for adventure are endless. So stay tuned, because this is just the first chapter in what promises to be an epic journey through time and history. Section 9. Conclusion, where history meets modern marvel. So there you have it, Mr. Beast's Egyptian Pyramid Adventure. It's a chance to explore the unknown, uncover ancient secrets, and maybe even give back to history in the process. Who knows what we'll find, but one thing's for sure, it's gonna be epic. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single moment of the adventure. It's going to be legendary. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep believing in the power of adventure. Peace out.